Some things are just meant to be, like strawberries and cheesecakes. And if the strawberries are harvested fresh from the farm, then it's even sweeter and sealed with all the love. Let me walk you through how to prepare this delicious dessert, but before that, let's go grab some fresh strawberries. Gray's Farm is a family run establishment with a rich history spanning over a century. Renowned for its extensive pick your own offerings, the farm provides visitors with the opportunity to harvest a variety of fresh fruits and vegetables directly from the field. This farm is based in Wokingham, Berkshire, and it offers different varieties of jams and marmalades, some refreshing drinks, and pure local honey. So, if you're in Berkshire, then do give this farm a visit and start picking your own fruits and veggies. We got a handful of strawberries picked from the farm and also bought a ginger and orange marmalade, and that tasted absolutely delicious. We'll add the link to the farm in the description below. Don't forget to check it out. So now let's get to the fun part and prepare the much awaited strawberry cheesecake. Coarsely grind 1 pack of digestive biscuits and add melted butter to make the biscuit base. You can increase the butter quantity here if you want the base to be a bit thick, but I prefer it to be a bit crumbly. Once your biscuit base is ready, pop it into the fridge for about 30 minutes to set. For the cheesecake, whip 200 ml of chilled whipping cream until it doubles in quantity. Sweeten it with 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, increase or decrease as per your preference. Whip at medium speed until it thickens and then add 300 grams of Philadelphia cream cheese. To get the perfect consistency, ensure your cream cheese and whipping cream are very cold. If not, pop it back into the refrigerator for 15 to 30 minutes and then whip again to get stiff peaks. Once you have stiff peaks, add in some freshly chopped strawberries and mix everything well. Layer it perfectly on the biscuit base, cling wrap and then pop it back in the refrigerator for another 30 minutes. I know it's a bit lengthy, but trust me, it is worth it. Now to make the strawberry compote, all you need is some freshly cut strawberries, powdered sugar and a dash of lemon. Cook everything until it melts and becomes into a nice thick sauce. Cool the mixture down and then add it to your cheesecake as the final layer. I'm already drooling while editing this video. Trust me, I can bet on how delicious the strawberry cheesecake was. Again, for the last time, you cling wrap and then pop it back in the refrigerator for 4 to 5 hours before serving. Oh, look at that beauty. Perfect, perfect, absolutely perfect. Now you all gotta give me some credit for the masterpiece I've created. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do leave your comments down to keep me motivated. See you all super soon. Bye bye. Take care.